Can
Okay.
you do a review of what you just did?
So inferior vena cava, all the way down to where it splits. You have your adrenal lumbar, right here on this one. You have your renal and gonadal. Now the gonadal didn't stain all the way. But you
it
can
runs
see it,
parallel
and
to
it runs
the
parallel to the
gonadal
artery.
artery.
Yep. So then go back to your original inferior vena cava, and then you go down, and you find your splits. So here is one and the other one. So this is the common iliac.
Both of them?
Both of them.
Right and left?
Right and left. Common iliac. Now yours happens to have your adrenal lumbars up here. So here's your adrenal lumbar. And it runs with the adrenal lumbar artery. Adrenal lumbar. So then you have your common iliac. And then here, this little tiny one right here is the internal iliac.
Okay, wait, I'm confused. What was that?
Adrenal lumbar. Sorry, iliolumbar.
Ilio, okay.
Yeah, iliolumbar.
Well, that's like way
Yeah.
over.
Yeah.
Way low. Okay.
Iliolumbar.
Iliolumbar.
I get them confused now.
Adrenal lumbar, iliolumbar.
Iliolumbar.
Okay.
And then you have your common iliac, internal iliac, right there. It's kind of hard to see. And then you'll probably have to switch me sides over here. And then external iliac. You can see there's one going in here, internal, right there where my probe is. So right, my probe above that is the common iliac, and then below the probe is the external iliac.
So that's the one that goes that way, though, is the
It-
right common, right?
The right common you're not going to see because it's on the other side. So just take one visual.
So they both have internal and externals off of each right and
Right,
left.
right.
Okay, gotcha.
And then here you have your sacral, which runs with your,
45.
yep, which runs with
Do we
your
have to know that on the vein?
Sacral.
Middle sacral?
middle sacral.
Middle sacral.
Middle sacral. I call it sacral.
So it's the caudal artery
With the caudal artery.
and the middle sacral.
Run together.
It's pretty much the same
Yes.
thing, just artery and vein.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Why can't they just make them the same freaking name?
And then here you have, okay, so after your external iliac, you have your deep femoral, then you have your femoral, and then your great saphenous.
So those are the same.
Those
So
are
we
the
didn't
same.
need to know saphenous.